The 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. The 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage debuted at the 2013 New York International Auto Show. And while its power may not impress, its MPG may start making hybrid cars start shaking in their low rolling resistance tires. Let's face it, the Mirage isn't the sexiest car to roll out of Mitsu's factory. In fact, it's just another econo-hatch that easily blends into the scenery as you head down the highway. Mitsubishi is hoping to change that with the new model, and this time around, the Mirage will try to make its way back into the hearts of Americans for the first time since 2002. The car has been redesigned with all new styling that Mitsu hopes will attract new buyers, which is something the floundering company needs to help keep it in the American market. Unfortunately, it is heading into a market, the subcompact hatchback market, that is quickly becoming overfull. Perhaps its practicality and relatively large amount of storage space will help push it over the other motorized roller skates on the market. Hit the jump to read more about the 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. Exterior. The new Mitsubishi Mirage is Mitsu's attempt to draw in younger, entry-level buyers to pave the future of the brand. Unfortunately, the styling looks uninspired at best and won't leave anybody praising it for its looks. While many of its competitors have some style that set them apart from the crowd, the Mirage blends right into the sea of traffic. The stubby front end combined with the tall and swooping roof really looks rather awkward. And need we mention just how odd that front fascia looks? It lacks any aggressiveness, stylistic body lines are non-existent, and it just looks blah all around. Additionally, there isn't even a shred of Mitsubishi character injected into it, sans the TriStar logo up front. While the body is not the most stylish, it is pretty aerodynamic with a drag coefficient of just 0.28. That helps keep air from dragging you down and is part of the reason for the car's high gas mileage. Add in the standard rear spoiler and you can say that Mitsubishi at least tried to make it interesting. Then again, that spoiler looks really out of place. But, you have to keep in mind that form was likely an afterthought to function when Mitsubishi designed this tiny hatchback. Dimensions. Standard features: body-colored side mirrors, door handles and tailgate handle rise, reinforced impact safety evolution, chassis safety cell construction, electric power steering, EPS power side mirrors, 165/65 R14 low rolling resistance tires, rear spoiler, halogen headlamps with auto-off interior. The interior sent shivers down our spines. No, not in a good way, we mean the ones you get when you see something that makes you very uneasy. From the cheap plastics, to the sea of black dashboard, to the flat as a board rear seat, the Mirage just lacks any character at all. Trust that we know this is an economy car and you have to expect some skimping, but come on, guys, what's with the 1990s ESQ interior? The Mirage makes it look like GM was having a fire sale on old Geo Metro interior pieces. Because of the hatchback design, there is a good amount of storage space, especially when you fold the back seats down. With them down you have plenty of space to haul larger items, but this does require that the kids be left home or sent home on the bus. One good thing is that the Mirage at least includes a somewhat modern audio system standard. This 140-watt, 4-speaker system not only handles the normal AM, FM, CD duties expected of every radio, but it also handles MP3 files, USB drives and iPods. Standard features: 4-speaker 140-watt AM, FM, CD, MP3 with USB, iPod input, power windows with driver's side auto up, down tilt steering, 60/40 split folding rear seat, automatic climate control, rear heater, floor ducts, cargo area cover, piano black center console trim, keyless entry with panic alarm, rear wiper, washer, multi-information meter display, eco indicator, dual stage front airbag, SRS with front passenger occupant sensors, curtain side airbags, driver's knee airbag, and front seat mounted side impact airbags, anti-lock brakes, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, active stability control, ASC, with traction control logic, TCL, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, drivetrain. What Mitsubishi is hoping will set the Mirage apart from the crowd is its fuel-efficient 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine. The engine is so frugal that it will take you up to 44 miles on the highway using just 1 gallon of fuel, which inches it dangerously close to hybrids and high-efficiency diesel cars. Unfortunately, the Mirage quickly loses our interest again with its coma-inducing 74 horsepower, 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine. If the horses aren't bad enough, its 74 pound-feet of torque means it would likely need assistance to open the pickle jar, let alone get itself moving from a dead stop. The underpowered engine mates to a 5-speed manual transmission as standard, but an optional continuously variable transmission (CVT) is available. And it's this whiny CVT that will net you the 44 mpg highway, unfortunately. Hybrid competing gas mileage comes at a price, and that price is performance. While official performance figures have not been released, we expect this snoozer to be best measured to 60 miles per hour using a calendar timer. Okay, maybe that's an exaggeration, but look for it to turn in a 0 to 60 mph time somewhere in the 13-second range. Drivetrain specifications. Price. Pricing information has not yet been released, but we figure it has to come in around $12,000 to $13,000 to drum up any real interest. Prices should arrive by the fall of 2013. Competition. Ford Fiesta. Now, the Ford Fiesta shows you how to make econo-hatches look cool. Its stylized hood draws attention away from the stubby nose, and its unique roofline is a fresh take. The Fiesta is powered by a 120 horsepower, 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine that is capable of up to 39 mpg on the highway, 29 mpg city. The car will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 9.5 seconds, allowing it to smoke the rest of its class. The base Fiesta is slightly higher on the price charts at $14,200. If you're feeling froggy and can wait until the 2014 Fiesta rolls out, you can opt for the Fiesta Street that cranks out 197 ponies and 214 pound-feet of twist, but still churn up 34 miles of pavement for each gallon on the highway. The Fiesta Street, however, will come in at a premium price, about $21,000. Chevy Spark. If you prefer another snoozer to compete with the Mirage, you can always shoot for the Chevy Spark. Its 83 horsepower 4-cylinder engine is less than inspiring, but turns in a stout 38 mpg on the highway, 32 mpg city. This 1.2-liter engine huffs and puffs the Spark to 60 miles per hour in 10.5 seconds, besting the Mirage's likely time. Where the Spark beats the Mirage is its styling, as it features sharp lines and the interior features body color accents to help it feel a little more up-class. The Spark starts out at $12,185. Conclusion. Well, the Mirage is a novel effort by Mitsubishi, but it really strikes out in our opinion. In this day and age, 74 horsepower from an econo hatchback is unacceptable unless you are a member of the super compact Smart lineup. To boot, the body is plain and the interior looks like it was ripped straight from the 1990s. However, if the rumored Mirage evolution and its 150 horsepower 3-cylinder engine happens to be true and it makes its way to the US, this may give buyers a better feeling toward the lineup as a whole. Love it hybrid gas mileage. Leave it plain styling engine only has 74 horsepower on tap, no pricing information available.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.